The countdown for the second phase of assembly elections in 26 constituencies have started in Jammu and Kashmir. The poll body has deployed staff and sent EVMs to the designating polling booths to seal the fate of 239 candidates, including former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mr. Umar Abdullah, Apni Party President Said Muhammad Altaf Bukhari, and the BJP State Unit Head Mr. Ravinder Raina. In Srinagar, for One India, Izhar Ali. Of polls are beginning tomorrow. What are the preparations being made to ensure that smooth elections are conducted and more people come out to vote?
Different kind of facilitation have been provided to right from the nomination process when the candidates were coming to us for filing the nominations at the RO headquarters in the Deputy Commissioner office in Srinagar. So from there only we are facilitating the candidates. Now it's the time when the poll parties have come into the DCRC. DCRC means Dispatch Collection Reception Center at SP Higher Secondary School, this MA Road. You are very much present in here, and you can see, have a look upon the polling parties. They are having the presiding officer polling 1, 2, 3, plus microbuses are all the polling personnel as well as the microbuses are in place, and they have reported to the DCRC.
Have the EVMs been sent to the designated places, designating polling booths?
No, EVMs had not been dispatched yet because we are expecting that it will, whole polling parties of 143 polling stations will get their EVM and the different kind of the material which is required to be filled up by the polling parties at the closure of the poll, at the end of the poll, that is tomorrow on the poll day. So we are expecting that after taking the lunch, after having the lunch, they will be dispatched from this area only.
Sir, are there any special polling booths for women and handicapped?
Yeah, there are different kind of special polling stations. For women, there are pink polling stations. It's in the higher secondary school Zadibal. The green polling stations for the Zadibal constituency is in the Sasgaripura. It's in the Shahin Public School. We are having a special polling station for the disabled also, and we are also supplying the wheelchairs for physically challenged people. The polling parties will get the wheelchairs at the time of receiving the machinery, that is the UM and the other kind of material. So they will provide the facilities for the PWD voters in the polling station as well. The ramp has also been in place as the assured minimum facility.
So a large number of people in Dal travel by Shikara or boats. Has some kind of arrangement been made to ferry them from their homes to the polling station?
Yes, of course. It's an interesting question because we are the only constituency in the Jammu and Kashmir that has a unique polling stations. Unique polling station in the sense that we are having the polling parties have to be ferried through the motorboat, have to be ferried through the Shikaras throughout the different areas of the Dal and the Bodal area. So we are having 8 polling stations in the Nehru Park and adjoining area, and the 3 polling stations inside the anterior parts of the Dal. So these are a special kind of the polling stations where the people are polling parties as well as the electors are ferried through the motorboats and shikaras.
Sir, my last question. Are you expecting a higher voter turnout compared to the turnout in the earlier elections?
Personally speaking, I am highly confident that Zadibal constituency has previously reported in the Lok Sabha election at 34.55%. It was the highest poll percent of the district Srinagar in the previous Lok Sabha election. And now we have conducted so many sweep activities at the RO level, at DEO level, at Chief Electoral Officer level, and I am hopeful that people have got motivated. We have registered we were the constituency where the highest number of the electors were registered. I think it was 5299, touching 5300 people were registered as young electors 18 to 19 years of age. So I am hopeful the poll percent will go up to 60% minimum.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.